today I was thinking of doing like a week in my life vlog for YouTube. I don't really vlog. I usually leave that up to Russell and his channel. He's like really good at vlogging and capturing moments. If you haven't checked out his page, I'll leave it in the cards above. But today is Friday and I just finished filming a intro video for another video that's going up next week, and that's why I'm like dressed up in a cute outfit. Currently in my office, and I still have another few things to shoot before I head out. Today I'm going to pick up some lunch and visit my brother and his girlfriend because I haven't seen them in a while. I think it's been since Christmas. So I need to catch up with them and also pick up a few things from my mom's garage because I keep some inventory there, and so I thought I would take you with me on my day. And I hope you guys have been doing well. It's a new year. There's so much really fresh energy going around. I feel like everyone is very in this like motivated, empowered state, and I'm all here for it. So I think I'm gonna try to vlog every day this week and give you an inside look into my everyday life. Okay, so I am filming 2 reels for 2 new digital products that I'm launching, and this is my little setup. I know it looks a little janky, but it works. So I'm basically just filming with my phone. I'm doing a overhead shot of my iPad, and something that has been amazing, I posted this on my Instagram and I got so many replies. So this basically is from Amazon, and it's like a spray and squeegee thing for all of your screens. Like you can do it for your phone and for your iPad. So I usually do this every time I film because as you can see here, it's super dirty. So I'll show you guys how it works. All right, so first you just like spray it like this, and then you take this side, the squeegee side, and you just basically just wipe it away. It's so easy and it's so satisfying to like just see it all disappear. That's it. Look how clean that is. Okay, so I am launching a new product for Aquarius season. You guys get the sneak peek. Basically, I get like an overhead shot of me swiping through like the new products, so you can kind of just get a preview of what's in it. So I'm gonna be filming that for 2 products. I have this one, and I also have this new product. This is the grocery list and meal planner that I just designed the other day. Super excited for this one. I'm going to be using this also in another video. I'll show you guys exactly how I use it and how you can use it too. All right, picked up lunch for them at this stand. They're actually opening one of these in Irvine, but I'm in a different city right now, and I got a salad. They also got a salad and short rib, but it smells really good.
Yeah, should do.
This is Louie. Here's the garage.
Yeah.
But it's organized pretty well. I'm here at Lucas's garage and I need to look for some stuff. I think I have some more inventory here of some slightly damaged pieces that I kind of want to see if I can fix up and sell on Etsy because I don't like that it's going to waste. And I'm also almost sold out of everything and people are asking for more. So just trying to make it work. I think it's in this one here. Okay, so this is what I picked up from my mom's garage. These are the volume 1 soul work planner from the first drop, and they arrived a little damaged. Like as you can see, like this right here, there's like a scuff mark, so we took that out during quality control. But my very first batch, we had an issue with the binding of the books. And so like as you can see here, the binding is kind of coming undone right there. So we obviously cannot sell that as a new product, so we took these out of inventory. But since I am sold out of these and I would hate for these just to like go to waste, I figured I would try to fix them and then sell them as just an imperfect one. I got some glue from Amazon that should be coming in probably tomorrow, so I'll test them out this week, but I just needed to pick them up and get them here. But I'll keep you guys updated on how these look and if they do actually make it to be available online, because I know a lot of people are waiting for this to restock. Since then I did switch manufacturers, so I have a new production partner that has assured me that this is not going to happen again, which is great. I know that that just comes with the learning process of working with factories and mass producing a product. So I'm just learning as I go, obviously as a small business. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I just got home. I think we're gonna head out now. I'm copying you.
Sorry guys.
I told them that you're better at vlogging, but I'm gonna attempt at this because I wanted to do like a week video.
Yeah. I'm glad that you're trying it out because I feel like you'd be a great vlogger.
These are so nice. Look at all these. Guys, if you aren't following Kuyuwear, follow them right now. They have amazing stuff. This is a box of samples that we're gonna get made. So Russell just designed a new collection for Kuyuwear and it is so good. I just helped him with like the tech pack and the just like technical stuff and the graphic design, but it's so good. I can't wait to show you guys. Hopefully he'll let me show you guys the samples when they come in a week. We're gonna go head over to, I think it's in Santa Ana or Costa Mesa or something. So we're gonna go head there right now actually. All right, we are back home. We just got back from the embroiderers and we dropped off the samples and then that should be done in like a week or so, I think. So I'll give you guys updates then. But I have some computer work to do. I have emails and some editing to do. So I'm gonna be sitting here on at my desk for a few hours, probably like 2 hours or so, and then we'll go grab dinner with Russell. Babe, we're at Masala Bay with my babe.
What's up, babe?
Hello, hello. It is Saturday morning. It's so gloomy outside. It actually looks like it's gonna rain again, but I have some errands to run today, so I'm just getting ready for the day. I already did like really light makeup. I've been trying to master using my Dyson. So I have like my round brush here. I did it last weekend for the first time. I just need to get more comfortable in using this tool, so figured I would show you guys how I use it, and if you guys have tips, please let me know. Okay, I found this tutorial on YouTube.
Before repeating that.
Okay, let's give this a try. All right, so basically, I was doing it wrong this whole time. So take a little piece of hair, and then I'm just gonna walk you through it before it turns on because it's kind of loud. So she basically wraps the hair first and then brushes it down. And you kind of have to like, it's kind of hard. I feel like maybe if my hair was a little bit more wet, it would like be a little more smoother. I kind of have to like pull it, but just give it a little tug and basically you just wrap it. And then you do that until your hair is like fully dry. And then she said when you're done with it on your last one, roll it up and then hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds and then give it a cold shot. So on this Dyson, you can adjust the temperature. So right now it's on hot, but you can just like put it down and it'll go to like a cold. It'll blow out cold air. So I guess that is like a kind of trick to like keep it locked in. So good. Okay, this is the done side. What, if you can see how frizzy my hair is here? Like this is just like natural air dried hair from overnight. It's a little bit damp. Also not putting any product in, so I think if I put other product in, it would make it look even like better, like shinier and more lush, like more volume. I have so much hair. My hair is like super, wow. Do you see this? Look at that. It's like so bouncy and so voluminous at the bottom. And like, it looks so healthy. This is crazy. This is just the second time that I'm trying this too. So I know it's just gonna get better from here. I love it though. It just looks so like effortless and light and styled, but I love it. Of course, after I like fully get ready and do my hair, makeup, and get dressed, it's raining outside. That's okay, we still have like some errands to do. I'm wearing a Kith cropped sweater and then jeans from Everlane. So today I'm going to go to a place called Fill Up Buttercup in Costa Mesa. It's a zero waste, sustainable refill station for all of your like household items like laundry detergent, dish soap, all-purpose cleaner, everything. It's very eco-friendly and sustainable. And I got these cute like spray bottles from Amazon. I got 2 of them and I'm gonna order a few more because I actually do like it. I only ordered one at first to see if I like this silicone here, but it looks really nice. So I want to transfer all of my cleaning supplies into these types of bottles and just make it all cohesive. What I need is all-purpose cleaner, some detergent, glass cleaner if they have it. I'm just gonna browse the store and see what I need, pick up a few things, and I'll take you guys along with me. All right, we're in the car. It is really raining right now. Russell is back from the gym.
What's up, guys?
Taking him along with us on this day because we're gonna grab lunch afterwards.
How does it smell?
It smells so good.
Whoa.
Yeah, on the weekends one as well. Yes, to both of these. And we're closed on Mondays here. But we're actually opening up our second location in Huntington.
Scented tangerine sunrise, and we are at a vegan burger spot it's called Nice Burger. Got 2 burgers and fries and tater tots. So we've been home for a few hours now and we're going to do a movie night. We're watching The Walking Dead on Netflix. We're watching the last season, season 11. And we made our favorite snack, which is popcorn, homemade popcorn on the stovetop. I feel like I'm like a master at this because I have like a secret, it's not really a secret ingredient, but it's just like so good, right, babe? I put nutritional yeast on it to give it that like cheesy flavor. It's like a vegan alternative to it, but it makes it taste so good. So I'm probably going to end the vlog for today right here, but I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. Sundays are my prep days, so I always like to map out my week. I look at my calendar, I plan everything that I need to do this week, and then I also like to do laundry and grocery shop. So we're gonna be doing all of that today. If you guys haven't checked out my digital soul work planner that's on my site for my brand, please do. If you guys have an iPad or tablet, this is like a really great tool. You use the Good Notes app, which you can download for free. But the way I designed the soul work planner is that every single week you have a series of journal prompts to like check in with yourself. So I like to do this either on like Saturday or Sunday, so I'm gonna do it today for this week. This is week 2 of January. Basically, it starts off with like 3 wins of the week and then 4 journal prompts and then reminders to keep you empowered. And this is a great way to just like check in with yourself, see how you're doing mentally and emotionally, and then just get yourself ready for a new week ahead. Just got changed, wearing something very comfy, just like a tank top and some leggings. And then I stole this jacket from my husband. I literally just texted him, I was like, can I wear this? He didn't answer yet, so. He has this like nice jacket from Minimal. It's in this like brown colorway, just like oversized and comfy. Russell's finishing up at the gym and then he's gonna pick me up and we're gonna go drop off his mom at church and then go grocery shopping. So to prepare for that, I'm going to be using my new template that is gonna come out probably I think in February. I think that's when I'm gonna launch it, but I'm gonna just start using it now and just getting like a feel of it and create content around it now, just to get ahead of it. So you guys get the inside scoop on what it looks like. This is the grocery list and meal planner. I have 3 different cover pages available. This page is like an idea bank of you to put down all of your meal ideas. And I broke it up into breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snacks. So you just have like a running list of meals that you would like to make. And then the next one is a vision board where you can put like photos and inspiration photos of what you want to make. And then this is your shopping list. So basically I broke it down into all the different categories like produce, meat and fish, deli, snacks, pantry, all that good stuff with like a checklist so you can check it off as you go. And then on the right here, you have a meal plan broken up by breakfast, lunch, and dinners, as well as desserts and snacks. For me, I don't like to set my meals like per day because I really don't know like what I'm gonna be feeling that day. But what I like to do instead is just like select like different breakfasts that I can make this week, different lunches I can make, different dinners, and then kind of plan that way and create my shopping list. And then on the template as well, like if you are a type of person that does want to plan like exactly what you want to eat every day, I create another template that looks like this, so you can kind of have that option to plan that way. And then I also created a template for you to input like your own recipes. So this is just like a clean, simple template. Like if you have any recipes that you like, just want to write down and just have. And then I have a page for mantras just to keep you empowered and mindful when it comes to the topic of food. Here's our produce list. We need tomato, celery, spinach, mushroom, onion, banana, strawberries, and bell peppers. And then anything else you see. Oh, there's strawberries right here. Are we the only ones that go to 2 grocery stores when we go grocery shopping? Let us know. This is pretty much everything that we got for the week. It's a lot, but we plan to eat at home all week. And then on my iPad here, as I went along on my phone, I was able to check mark everything that we got to make sure we got some items. Right now, I think I want to eat a bagel with the smoked salmon. So I'm gonna make that right now and then just prep everything, put everything away, wash it, and prep it for the week. All right guys, I think I'm going to close out this video here. Finished putting away all of my groceries, prepped everything, washed and cut everything. Now I'm gonna move on to planning my week in my digital soul work planner on my iPad. Thursday is actually Russell's birthday. I don't really know what he wants to do during the day. I know we're going to dinner and I know that I'll probably like take him out to like a brunch or something, but I don't know what activity we'll do. So my goal is to vlog every day this week, which means you'll definitely see another vlog coming your way. If you made it this far in my vlog, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, what you guys want to see, if I should continue to do this. I'm very new to vlogging, so thank you for being patient with me and supporting this page. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.